because he says that I will fight for you. I'm going to contend with them that contend with you. I'm going to stand up and I'm going to make sure that you are victorious in every area of your life. Hear his word where he says, because you have known my name, when you call upon me in trouble, he says, I will answer. With long life will I satisfy you. I hear the voice of God saying to somebody today, you shall not die but live. I hear heaven saying that it's open over your life. Heaven is open over you. And no matter what the enemy has tried to do, God says, hear my voice, I will bless you. And I will make you fruitful, and I will cause you to excel, and I will cause you to triumph in all things through my Son, Jesus Christ. Hear the voice of God today.